Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Kaylas Curls video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Easter inspired makeup look. Easter is this weekend, so I decided that I would do a quick makeup look for you guys. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I am going to be going for pastel colors like blues, yellows, and pinks. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I was thinking of doing like a cut crease. We'll see what I decide when we get to that point. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Before we get started, please make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell before you leave so you'll be notified every single time I upload here on YouTube. So I'm going to take this yellow shade and I'm going to put that in the inner crease of the eyelid. And I'm going to keep building up with the shade until I have it to the pigmentation that I like it. I'm going to go into this blue shade. We're going to put this blue right beside the yellow. I'm just going back in with the yellow just to make sure everything is blended so it's not transferring on each other. So there's more pigmentation with the yellow, because yellow is a really light shade. Now we're gonna go into a purple shade. This one here. It's like a lavender, light lavender purple. I'm gonna use a different brush. This one. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the cut crease. I am gonna use the same eye primer. Put it on my brush. So it's easy application. Okay, so here's the cut creases. So now we're gonna go into another shade. I believe I'm gonna go into pink now, and we're gonna blend that in the outer crease, and then in the inner corner we're gonna do a shimmery shade. So let's go ahead and do the pink. I already have the pink ready to go. I'm gonna go with this pink right here. We're gonna put that in the outer corner. So tell me what you guys think in the comments section. I think this came out really nicely, just exactly how I imagined it. I think I might put a little bit of pink eyeshadow there on the waterline. Alright guys, so this is basically the finished look. Like I said, I had to throw in some pastel colors, some pink, some blues, some purple, and of course yellow. I did throw in some white eyeliner just to put the look together. And yeah guys, I did add a little pop of the pink on the waterline. So with that being said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I also hope you guys have a wonderful Easter with your friends and family. Make sure to stay safe and be smart and enjoy your Easter, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching another makeup look by Kaylas Curls. So if you are new here and you have not hit the red subscribe button, please hit that red subscribe button right now and hit the notifications bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload here on YouTube. And if you did enjoy, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you liked about this makeup look. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, so that is basically it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks again for supporting another Kaylas Curls video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.